Okay, we're going to approach figure 7 question 1b, and this is another exercise of your sketch skills. Okay, you need to be really accurate because mistakes made on the sketch plane will not allow you to extrude successfully. Alright, without further ado, sketching now, and I'm again going to sketch on the YZ plane or XZ plane, sorry. And the first thing I'm going to draw is I'll start off with the R8, and then I'll work through the 8-degree tangent line, and then I'll draw the circles that are over here, and then close up everything. All right. Um, R8. So what that means is that the diameter is 16. Okay. Zoom in, and there is a very long line. And what I'll do is that I'll draw a line that is behind it, or maybe somewhere in front. Okay. And the angle of this is 8 degrees, and it is tangent, this line is tangent to the circle. Okay, then what happens is I can trim it away. All right, I can trim it away, and I can quickly mirror it across. Okay, and this is my mirror line, and I apply. All right, now the next thing is I'm going to create a point somewhere here and horizontally constrain it to the 0 axis, so that when I draw, my part is in the center, okay, of the work planes. Then I will give it a horizontal dimension, and this dimension is 65. Now where did I get this number? It's over here, right? 65. Okay, 65. And once I have this, I will draw the outer circle. The outer circle has a radius of 29 degrees, so it's 58 degrees. Okay, so the outer radius is 58 mm in diameter. Then the inner radius is here, and the inner radius is 14, so it's 28. Okay, and there is a line running across, and this line has an angle of, oops, sorry, it's to the, okay, the question paper shows the angle to the vertical axis is 60, 70, 80, 90. So we know that this is 30 degrees. Okay, right? Then what I'll do is that I can trim this away. I don't need it to be so long. All right. I know that there is a line. I can intentionally draw it at an awkward angle, and I make use of this. I want to teach this command here called the perpendicular constraint. And what that does is that it constrains this line to this line to 90 degrees, so it's perpendicular. Okay, then what happens is that it's still blue because it's not fully constrained. Then from here, the edge of the line to the tip here, I'll put it as 18 millimeters, and that's the distance, 18. Okay, so then I will trim it. This line is gone, this arc is gone. Okay, make sure everything is there. Constraints still exist. All right, okay, so it's fully constrained. Then what's next is that I will trim this away. Okay, this ends here, so I'll trim this away, this one comes through here, it's supposed to meet, right? from here to here is a radius. Okay, it's a radius of R16. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to trim this, and I'm going to put a fillet first. The fillet is R12 for the top, so I put 12. Right, and I'll put here, here. Sorry, let me do that again. It wasn't clear. R12 is here and here. That's R12. And I'm gonna draw a circle, and the circle has a radius of 16, and that will give me 32. What I'll do is I'll make sure that this is coincident to this point, and this is tangent to this line. Okay, then what I'll do is I'll trim it away, trim away this circle. Alright. Okay, there's a slight error here. Okay, let's try another technique. Let's delete away this. Let's see if I can just create a fillet from here to here, and the fillet radius, let's put this as radius as 16. Let's see if this works. No, it doesn't. Okay, I need to extend I need to extend this arc out for a while longer. This arc extends out for a while longer, and what I'll do is I'll do this. Okay, and then this will be tangent to this, and this is tangent to this. Then what I'll do is I put this out to be R16, right, which is 32 in millimeters. My earlier mirror image was not constrained to 8 degrees, so I need to reconstrain this to the horizontal axis to be 8 degrees. Okay, so that's how it is, because the tangent point was not, my assumption was that it was at this point that it passes, so it's wrong. It's a wrong assumption. So that's okay, and then I'm trimming it away now. And I get my complete feature. Okay, now this is done. Question 1b. And with fingers crossed, you pray that it can extrude. Oh, this is a bad omen. If it doesn't show, phew. Right, so you can extrude the whole profile, and it is 6 millimeters. Okay, now this is how you could extrude a part. Now let's say we didn't extrude it. Let me edit the sketch, and let's say let's create some problems. What I'll do is I'll do this, and we zoom in, and let's say you created a feature, or you were drawing something and you didn't close the loop. Okay, you click, you didn't close the loop, and you zoom out, and everything looks perfect, and you can't figure out why it's blue. Yeah, one of the tricks is if you move your mouse over here, you should show a continuous arc. So if you see something like that, you know something is wrong. Oh, I forgot to trim here. Right, and what happens is that it's not a closed loop. If it's not a closed loop, and if you try and extrude it, it will fail. All right, and if you were to click the line, what it will do is it will create this, and this is not a solid body. Okay, when you extrude something like that, it is actually what we call a surface. Okay, as a surface, and it is has zero thickness. Okay, zero thickness. So this is wrong. This is not a solid part. If you draw like this in your exam, it's 0 marks upfront because your loop is not closed. All right. So do be careful when you are using your sketch. Close your loops, and you'll be able to extrude.